Hello, my name is Pedro Lucas. I'm 21 years old and I am a software developer. So I created this video to show more information about myself, about all the projects that I already created, about the technologies that I have used, and then make possible you understand more information about myself. So the first technology that I used to create my projects was Bubble. So Bubble, it's a no-code platform that make possible you create systems, projects without code. And then I want to show you one specific project that I created for a company that operate here in my city. So this company is called SOS Delivery. It's a delivery company that has a group of motorcycle couriers and a group of clients. His clients are shops, restaurants that every day need to send his foods for his consumers. And then the SOS delivery um, intermediate this process because the motorcycle couriers get the product and delivery to the consumer. And okay, I participated in this project's creation like a developer, just a developer, and I created 100% in Bubble. Okay, the front end and the back end 100% in Bubble. Okay, this is the project. This project, the system, have three different users. The SOS owner, that is the ADM, have some products to be delivered, and the motorcycle couriers that are the exactly who get the product and delivery to the client. So every day these users need to enter in this system to access all the solicitations. Okay, so this is the ADM dashboard. Here this user can see an overview, see some problems that happen in some deliveries. And okay, it's just an overview, some relatories. The user can create new motorcycle couriers too, new shops, see financial relatories. And okay, so this is a software, how I said, that control all that process, that manage all that process. It's a software where I integrate with WhatsApp too. I integrate with Z API because this company, the SOS delivery, has a group, some groups, WhatsApp groups, and then I needed to integrate this system in that WhatsApp groups. So this is other project that I created in Bubble. So this project wasn't a project that I created for a company. This is a project that I created to myself because I thought about in the last year. I thought about the possibility to create software as a service, and then I created the stat page. So uh, I don't will talk about all the software details because in this website I create a section that will describe more informations. But okay, there's a project that I created for aesthetic professionals, aesthetic clinics, and that system make possible that people's to create his own website without code, without pay for a developer. In 10 minutes, the professional enter in this create account, enter in dashboard, and then create his own website and share in his social medias like Instagram, Google My Business, Facebook, and then and it's funny because I created a no-code platform using a no-code platform. That's funny, but okay. This is the project I created 100% here in Bubble. So in current days, we see how vibe coding is growing a lot in the world. And then in the last year, 2025, I thought about, okay, maybe it's good. I start to create projects in Lovable. I start to learn about vibe coding. And then I created account here in Lovable and I created my first project, this project. Okay, in the first moment, okay, I just sent prompts to the AI and the AI create all my system automatically. But uh, I am a software developer, so I feel that just create my software, sending prompts to the AI, create everything without my verification, without my annotation. So maybe this isn't good. And then I saw this page that is the page that shows all the system code. So everything that the Lovable create, I can see here in this page, all the folders, all the pages, all the code. And then in the first moment that I saw this code, I thought, okay, I need to understand what is this, and then I really understand how Lovable creates my projects, and then make possible I change the code here directly in this page and don't need to every time send prompts to the Lovable and then waste a lot of credits with simple things that if I understand the code, I can come here and change everything. Okay, and then I um, I don't remember this existing music that is one step back. That's a music. I don't know. That music. One step back, and then I remember this music, and I really understand that. Okay, I need to back one step and then understand what is that. And then I created account in this platform. This is the Stack Blitz. Stack Blitz is a platform where I can create my projects coding. You know, this isn't a vibe coding platform. Okay, this platform has a AI where I can send the prompts, but my subject here was learn code, exactly learn about React, TypeScript, Tailwind, because that are the technologies that Lovable used to create the projects. And then I created this project from zero. I used AI to learn because, AI help a lot to learn new things because instead I search, see some websites to learn, I can just use ChatGPT or Claude AI to learn about how can I learn from zero React, TypeScript, and Tailwind. And then I created all the system that is connected, integrated in Supabase, in Edge functions in Supabase, all the CRUD operations are working very well here. And okay, I learned too about API requests. I did this connection about with a Pokemon site where make possible I make API requests um, to get some Pokemon's images too. It was very funny, but just to test my knowledge, you know. And then I went back to finish my project here in Lovable. But now I know exactly what Lovable do. I know I can understand the code. I can understand why, for example, the Lovable create this page, create this context, what this context do. I can change everything that I want to change, you know. And then I understand how important is this, how much more powerful I become when I understand the code because for example, I want to change something here in a system, in a page. Okay, if I know that it's very simple, I don't need to send a prompt and then waste my credit. No, I can myself enter in the code, find the exactly page that I need to change, and okay, I can change by myself the code. You know, uh, but I saw uh, how boring is edit the code here in Lovable, because every single update that I do here, I need to click in save and then wait some time, some delay to my update be saved. And then okay, that's very boring if you think about a project where every time I need to see the code, I need to change the code, uh, and because that I find a new platform, a new vibe code platform that make my work very, very much more easy. And then I found the cursor, that platform that make possible I create my system and vibe coding. But here I have full control about my system, because I show you unlovable. I can create my system, I can edit the code, but the code, to edit the code is very boring. It's very I need to wait a lot of time to the code be saved. I can't create new files, new pages. I can't create, but here I can create when I update something here in the code. I can uh, save automatically, and okay, here I have full control about my system. Here I can see all the code. Okay, I'm not saying that Lovable is bad and Cursor is better than Lovable. No, are different platforms, with different um, focus. So Lovable, maybe the group of peoples that Lovable is focused is different about my group of peoples that I need to understand more the code. I need to see the code. I need to see all um, alteration that the agent do in the code. For that motivation, I use the cursor to create um, a new project that is the Organize. This is a software that I created using the cursor, the Supabase, and N8N. You know, it's a very complex system. It's a very complete and integrated system. I will show more details. Don't in this video. I'm just demonstrating an overview here. But in the same page, this website, we can see in the next session more detail, a video that I did especially to demonstrate this system. Okay, but okay, the cursor make possible. I have more control. I have more action here. I don't just send prompts and wait the agent send back and so make the alterations in my system. Okay, here can full control about everything, and cursor is very, very good.